While there are several online platforms and discussions about an upcoming Renault Duster model in 2025, concrete details, official reviews, or even confirmed launch dates are currently missing. Potential redesign given the typical life cycle of car models, it's plausible that Renault might introduce a redesigned Duster in 2025. This could include updated styling, interior features, and possibly new engine options. Focus on SUV segment. The Duster has been a successful model for Renault, and the SUV segment continues to be popular. It's likely that the 2025 model will build on this success. Emphasis on value. The Duster has traditionally offered a good balance of features and affordability. This is expected to continue in the 2025 model. Where to look for information. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information about the 2025 Renault Duster, I recommend checking these sources closer to the potential launch date. Official Renault website. This is the most reliable source for information about new models. Automotive news websites. Reputable automotive news outlets often have early insights into upcoming car models. Car review websites. Websites like Cardeco, Autocar India, and Sigwheels usually publish detailed reviews once a car is launched. I apologize for the inconvenience caused by the lack of concrete information at this time. Please keep checking back for updates as we get closer to the potential launch date.